ake ngibingelele kuphi nakulo bofinyelela khona ezobuciko media igama lami uMelisizwe Ngobongusa ngwami nomia phansi Friday. Namhlanje ke sila Okhosini FM ziyakhipha ke namhlanje kuzodunyiswa kuzondlalelwa iphasika kugcwele ama gospel artists ayinqwaba mfowethu. Namhlanje ke abaningi bayamazi kodwa ke ngizofisa namhlanje introduce ayisholo yena ngoba mhlawumbe kuleli page akamjwayele. Sawubona bhuti.
Siyabonga, ngijabulisa kakhulu kubalaleli emakhaya. Igama lami ngibethusile kwaMcinga, imvumi yomculo wokholo all the way from Eastern Cape.
Wow. Buka umuntu driver from Eastern Cape uze KZN ngoba ezokwenzela ukuthi abantu bajabule. Futhi ubethusile kumina ubhuti. Bhuti ubethusile mfowethu. Ufikile endimeni. Mawungasikhumbuza nje ufike nini endimeni?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngifike 2008 urelease kwami first album yami. Yayithi manje bengowakho nda release elandelayo ngo-2010 ndaze bese ngirelease the third album that abantu bayithanda kakhulu kwelicala lase KZN eliyayina lengoma ithi Zundithwala. Lapho nisebenze khona nabo Dumi nabo Mqolisi Mhlongo. So I think iyona ke album eyanivunela iminyango kakhulu because wina ngayo Song of the Year lapha kuma Crown Gospel Awards. But I think okubalulekileyo I've been in the ministry umculo wokholo ngishumayela ngicula ngimandisa abantu.
Uzalelwe kiyo inkolo yobuKristu noma uqale ukurealize usumdala? No, angichuze le ndlela.
Khona ngizalelwe khona ngoba umama wami onizalayo umculi wokholo uMama Lusanda, abantu bayamazi. Lapho ngathi ngincele khona lomculo wokholo, but into kaKristu ayonto onothi uzalelwe kuyo. Sisigqibo sakho noNkulunkulu. So nami nasendizithathela isigqibo sokuthi ndizamkelela uJesu bese ndisenza khona le ministry yokushumayela ngomculo.
Masibheka sithola ukuthi ngo-2001 ubuvela usukhona endimeni, but wena uthi ngo-2008 kusho ukuthi kusukela ngo-2007 kuyale ubukhona nje.
Benikhona angiqale ngiproducer lapha kuMama Lusanda, ngidlala ama-keyboards lapha, then I featured on her songs Lusanda spiritual groups. Zikhona ingoma ezifana nolukhangela kuwe that I did prior, and I've worked with other artists even before ndibe ndiyazimela ndiyaziculela ngokuzimeleyo, you know. So kudala ndikhona kudala. I think first time ndingena in a studio environment kwakungo-1998 uba ndibone nje mic ndithini, you know. And from there I decided that I will be a producer behind the scenes and work with ama-artists amaninzi.
Before size la khona lapho ngifuna ukuza khona, wena una 14 years wawuvela usumculi, uyiqiniso lo?
Yeah, kuyiqiniso. At 14 years I was playing keyboards for Mama Lusanda. I was playing keyboards nasecaweni and ndicula khona nayo uMama Lusanda kuma albums wakhe.
Ube ngo-2008 ngicabanga ukuthi u-2008 la uvule khona ikhampani ebizwa ngeBatusile Entertainment.
Yes.
Ihamba kanjani njengamanje leyo khampani?
Yeah, sesisebenze kakhulu eziBetusile Music Entertainment. Sesayichinja ke manje to Induna Records. Lapho si record khona ama-artists amaninzi, lapho si producer khona umculo for i-artists ezininzi. So I started that baby ngo-2008 when I released my first album. I was still under iGallo Records company then, and that decided manje sendiphuma ngizawuba independent ngihlale ku-company yami. So since then oko ndi-artists ezimeleyo.
Ngabe ukusebenzeka kanjani mawuyi-artist elingaphansi kwe-company ne-artist elizimeleyo? Imuphi umehluko bakhona lapho?
I think kulesi sikhathi samanje la izinto sezi-digital, I would advise nama-artists ukuthi azimele because now everything is accessible. Ngelesa sikhathi sakudala sama-CD kwakuphoqa into yoba umuntu abe under i-recording company because ngawo ama-recording company were opening ways to radios, opening ways to ezinye platforms marketing. So ngoku hayi noko kuyasebenzeka. We've seen artists ezininzi ezizimeleyo, especially kwi-gospel nakumaskandi we see them as khona ezininzi artists ezizimeleyo ezine recording companies zazo ezingaxhomekekanga kwi-mainline companies.
Ubhuti before simdedele ngiyabona ukuthi into enomaskandi singakubona ngelinye ilanga une artist noma sewuke wasebenza nama artist mhlambe anjengawo maskandi noma wo jazz noma kweminye music.
Ankabi na ngoma that I've done kaMaskandi, but I've attended shows ezininzi zikaMaskandi upon invite wakhona. For instance, bendilapha kwi All White ka Khuzani, and namanye ama events amaninzi sendike ndaya kuwo amaskandi, and the way abantu basebenzisa ngakhona kuyasho ukuthi lento yamagenre into nje yokusehlula. Iqiniso lokuthi umbukeli lo bukelele video ekhaya efonini yakhe unengoma yami noma ekaKhuzani noma ekaJumbo noma ekabani, you know, so unama genres are mixed efonini yakhe. So lento yokuba sibe sizehlula ukuthi hayi mina nezi gospel nezilona, ekugqibeleni we are all musicians and we are here to serve abantu.
Ayisengisidle kakhulu isikhathi sakho Bhuti, hamba ngalawo mandla ngeke ngakuzwa kuleyo ngoma ufeaturishe uLindo.
Amen. Yes.
Le ngoma ihamba kanjani enkundleni zokuxhumana because uyabona le ngoma ikadlala inale nto yokuba house, inale nto yokuba gqom, ithini into laphana?
Hayi ihamba kahle kakhulu, isay above 2 million on YouTube ngoku abantu bayayithanda kakhulu. It's a mix yegqom negospel. Xa uyimamele yenza abantu noko bajive, no. Yeah. So that's what I've done also, ukuzama ukungena kuma genres amaninzi. I've done ingoma with gqom artists ezifana no Mr Taylor. I've done ingoma with Afro soul artists ezifana nabo Jezel Brothers, nabo Zuko SA, and I've worked with gospel artists as well as fana no Dumi, Jumbo, nabanye abaculi abaninzi.
Hayi kuningi esingaxoxa nawe Bhuti, ake ngigabisele ngethende ngibheke kwelakithi ePriority nawe uzobe ufulathela ubheka kwelakini eEastern Cape.
Awugoduka.